The second point of performance is check canopy and gain canopy control. A paratrooper will reach up and secure the front set of risers and simultaneously make a 360-degree check of their canopy. From there, the paratrooper then goes into the third point of performance, which is keep a sharp lookout for all jumpers during the entire descent. At this time, jumpers must make every effort to avoid colliding with each other while in the air as they prepare for the fourth point of performance, which is prepare to land. At 200 feet above ground level, paratroopers will look below to ensure there are no fellow jumpers in the way, and then lower the equipment. Paratroopers then determine their direction of drift and turn into the wing, and then prepare to land by keeping their feet and knees together, knees slightly bent, elbows stuck into their sides, and chin on chest.
Baik Tribuners,
The fifth of
saat ini
performance
sedang berlangsung
is the most important part, landing.
terjun payung
Paratrooper make a
dari
parachute landing fall by hitting all 5 points of contact, both of the
Pasukan
feet,
militer.
calf muscle, thigh, buttocks, and the pull-out muscle. Distinguished visitors, after landing, the paratroopers immediately activate the canopy release assemblies, which deflates the parachute and prevents the paratrooper from being dragged across the drop zone. At this time, paratroopers are placing their weapons into operation and getting out of their parachute harness. They recover their parachutes by placing them into an aviator's kit bag for safekeeping. Once complete, paratroopers conduct a 360-degree check of their area to ensure they have all of their equipment and then move out for their pre-designated assembly areas. Once assembled, the paratroopers will move to and assault their objective.
Baik Tribuners, jadi sedang berlangsung latihan penerjunan payung dari pesawat militer, diikuti oleh masing-masing prajurit Garuda Airbone. Observation point. Nah, jadi baru saja telah berlangsung proses terjun payung dari masing-masing militer.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing to witness the second one airborne operation.
Andika Perkasa.
And for the second one, the first plane will drop 3 paratroopers from the US Army. The second plane will drop 8 paratroopers from the US Army. The third plane will drop 4 paratroopers from the US Army. And the fourth plane will drop 6 paratroopers from the US Army.
Baik, ikuti perkembangan selanjutnya hanya di tribunsumsel.com.
Jangan lupa subscribe, share, komen, dan like ya.